If you want a gypsum cover board that's easier to handle without compromising durability, the newest addition to our portfolio is finally here. Introducing DensDeck ProFast Prime Roof Board. Just like our other cover boards, it's strong enough to help protect your commercial roof from fire, wind, puncture, and hail. But when you're up against labor shortages, tight timelines, and budget constraints, you may feel tempted to choose other, less resilient materials if you want to win the bid. And this could put your roofs at risk of damage. That's why we made DensDeck ProFast Prime Roof Board. Now you can have a strong, durable, dimensionally stable gypsum cover board that also streamlines installation. In FM testing, DensDeck ProFast Prime Roof Boards in single-ply assemblies have shown a 25 to 75% reduction in the number of fasteners needed when compared to similar single-ply assemblies using half-inch DensDeck Prime Roof Board. DensDeck ProFast Prime Roof Board is also approximately 20% lighter than half-inch DensDeck Prime Roof Boards, making it easier for your crew to handle and carry. Plus, this 3/8 of an inch gypsum board allows you to fit 25% more on a truck compared to a half-inch board, so you can stage fewer trucks and unload quicker. By helping you to optimize your timeline and budget, DensDeck ProFast Prime Roof Board can increase your crew's flexibility and improve your profit margins. Find out if this innovative new cover board is right for your next job at DensDeck